histograms plot frequency density against what we're measuring. In this case, it's weight, kilograms. Now, the thing about histograms is that given the fact they plot frequency density against the weight, it means that the areas enclosed in the various bars here are the actual frequency of the groups indicated. So this area here would be the number of people who weigh between 40 and 50, and this will be the number of people who weigh between 50 and 60. So our cutoff point for our athletes is here on the 60 line. And as you've probably noticed, our main problem is we do not have a scale on the frequency density axis. Let's assume this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So let's see if that proposed scale is in fact correct. We've got to add up the areas of this guy, which I'm going to call area 1, and this guy area 2. Okay, area 1 equals the height of it, which is 0.4, and the width is 10. So that equals 4 athletes. And area 2 equals 1.1 multiplied by 10 again, which is 11. And this turns out to be 15. So we're well off. How far are we off? Well, we're off by a factor of 3, because 3 times 15 would be 45. So we've got to change our scale up by a factor of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Now how does it work out? That has actually made the scale quite awkward, because there is now 0.3 between any pair of these small divisions. So this guy here, the height of it is 0.3, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2. So that means that area 1 is 1.2 multiplied by 10, which is 12. And area 2 is, that's 3.0, so this is 3.3 multiplied by 10, which is 33. And yes, we've got it, the addition of those two numbers, 45. So we've now confirmed the scale. So we can now calculate an estimate for the number of athletes between 70 and 95. 70 is here and 95 is here. So let's mark out the area that they want us to calculate. So the answer requires us to calculate all of this area, which I'm going to call area 3, and half of this area here, so I'm going to call this area 4. Right, area 3 is the height of 9 multiplied by the width, which is 20. So this answer is 180. Okay, so area 4, the height is 12.3, 12.6. So it's 12.6 multiplied by 5. And if you work that out, so 63 is the answer for that area, or the frequency, the number of athletes in that area. We add those two numbers up, we get 3, 8 and 6 is 14, 14 and 1, 243. And that is your answer for the number of athletes between 70 and 95 kilograms.